What's up, you guys, and welcome to today's video. Currently working on a 2025 Toyota Tacoma. Basically, in order to get this bumper taken apart, you have to first take all the Phillips head screws out from the back side of this bumper, and then you take this piece off, which mounts right here, basically. And then this piece right here mounts to right here. So basically, after you get those two pieces out, then you have some screws. Where are they at? Oh yeah, right there. And some other random little screws like right here. But basically, once you get those pieces off, this bumper slides out of the grill assembly. Like, it basically just pulls out, and then the grill assembly stays intact. This piece and this piece. I'll show you guys the back side of this bumper to kind of give you guys a better idea, but I was having a hard time with it, so I thought I would make a video, hopefully help somebody out. So this is the back side of this bumper, and basically, if I can grab this thing right, I've already got all the Phillips heads out, and yeah, that's the whole grill assembly. Now the only thing left to get this bumper completely tore down is just taking this little splash shield panel thingy off. But other than that, I hope this helped you guys out and made your job life a little better. But anyways, see you guys next video, and make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button.